Hi friends, today we'll be doing an interesting video recipe on the rustic chocolate cake. This is an amazing eggless chocolate cake. It is very easy to make and tastes delicious. This is a moist chocolate cake without much ado. I'm sure this cake will be hugely eyed upon by the weight watchers because there are no cream layers, no frosting, no refined sugar, and no butter. It is just the soulful ganache poured on the chocolate sponge cake and decorated with nuts. Simple, divine, and beautiful. So let's get started. Firstly, we will preheat oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Then we'll sieve together flour, salt, cocoa powder, baking powder, and baking soda. We'll sieve them properly. Now we will mix the powdered sugar. Here I've taken brown sugar. You could also use the refined sugar. Give it a nice mix. To this dry mixture, now we will add the wet ingredients. Firstly, we'll start with the hot coffee. Followed by oil. Milk. All this should be at room temperature. And the hung curd. Now we will gently mix and fold in these ingredients together to form a uniform mixture. We can use an electric beater on low speed, or we could use a spatula to fold in the ingredients. Take care not to over mix it. Now we have got a smooth batter. All the ingredients are well mixed. Add the vanilla essence and gently mix. Once the batter is ready, we will pour this batter into a baking bowl which has been greased and lined with the parchment paper. Here I have used two bowls, each of 5-inch diameter. Tap gently to remove any air bubbles. We will bake this cake for 35 to 40 minutes in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Once the cake is baked, keep it aside to cool. In the meantime, let's prepare the ganache. In a pan, we will heat the cream on low flame. We will see bubbles arising from the sides. Continue to heat, but be careful that the cream does not boil over. Once the cream boils nicely, we will put off the flame and add the chocolate to the cream. See that the chocolate is covered with the cream and leave it undisturbed. After a minute, we will gently mix to evenly blend the chocolate with the cream. Mix gently so that the chocolate is combined with the cream and we get a smooth ganache. Then we will add the butter for the shine. Mix it well. And now your ganache is ready. We will remove the cake from the baking pan and put it on a wire rack or a stand. Now we will pour the ganache onto this cake. See that the ganache is not very hot. We will carefully cover the edges and the sides. Doesn't it look tempting? We'll give it a nice tap so that the excess flows out. We will now transfer this cake onto a plate or cake board. This cake is without any layers of cream or frosting. It is just the ganache. Now we will decorate with nuts and chocolate chips. Use your creativity. And there you are. Your cake is ready. Now leave it for 1 or 2 hours for the ganache to set, and then you can enjoy it with your friends and family. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for some more videos. Bye bye.